Welcome sa lutong una to. Let's cook special pancit canton with ground pork, cabbage, and fresh mushrooms. Slice the spices, the red onion and the garlic, and follow the pork chop sliced into cubes. Yun, no? Next is the mushrooms and wash it thoroughly. And then let's prepare the pancit canton Lucky Me. Boiled into the hot water and let it cook. Next, stir fry the pork chop. And then put some seasoning to taste. You know. Saute the red onion, garlic, and the mushroom. Yan, mix lang. And then let's add the noodles. Mix all together, and I put a little bit of soy sauce and sesame oil. And then next is the cabbage and the sauce of pancit canton. Wow! Yun o, luto na po ang ating special pancit canton. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!